whenever a party grows, it fans out more amongst the people. The more members that are there, naturally there are bound to be some problems here and there. As long as they get sorted out, I don't think there is going to be any problem. We'll sort out the problems. Since in Goa, we are in the age of alliance, naturally we have to factor in everything, including the wishes, the opinions, whether this way or that way of our alliance partners as well. As I told you, in alliance, असली problem आज जातलीच. कोण एक alliance, कोण रडटा म्हण आमी रडपाचे. टाइम येता तेन्ना सगळे ओगी रावतले आनी चूप बसतले. लायनीन पडटले. सगळे पडपाकूच पडटले.
No, then why this show?
You should ask them. Why asking me? I made a show.
What do you feel? You have not made a show, but they are your alliance partners in Ponda municipality. They are supporting.
If being alliance partner, you are able to control your alliance partner, then the things would have been hunky dory for everyone. Is it so? You cannot control anyone. There are so many cases you cannot control your own life partner, and where you are talking of political partners.